Classic cars? Timeless beauty? Or just old machines? Could they actually outlast modern technology? Modern cars are packed with computers, sensors, and complex electronics. While they're fast and high-tech, every system can fail, and a simple glitch can make your car unusable. Classic cars, on the other hand, are built with simplicity in mind. With less electronics and more mechanical parts, they can last decades with proper care. Many classics are still running strong after 50 years. But does that mean they're better? Modern technology provides safety, comfort, and efficiency that classics can't match. The question is, longevity or innovation? Could classic cars outlast modern technology? Maybe. But one thing is for sure, their charm never fades.